You know, we have waited so long for 5 or 6, 7, 8 years for this, and now that it's here, everyone is so excited. They want to be part of it.
I don't want to say I love Civic more than my house, but this is true. This is true. Okay, I love it.
We have really seen our community grow. The staff, the management has been very aggressively promoting programs, activities. Given this new facility, we can have, alhamdulillah, 4 or 5 events simultaneously. Our major goal was to ensure that the community can still come within the same area. This new property occupies almost about 3 acres. The facility that's on it is about 15,000 square foot. Our plan is to allow about 5,000 square footage for classrooms and offices. The prayer area will be about 10,000 square foot. As necessary, this area can double up for prayers.
We have a Sunday program here, and we have a Sunday school.
With this new facility, the classrooms are big and there's a lot of potential with this place in expanding Sunday school.
These 3 masajids and us do a lot of activities, whether it be badminton, whether it be volleyball, or whether it be table tennis. With this new place, we have plenty of room in the back. We can put 6 tables and have enough room for all the people.
This place, inshallah, will have more space for sports activities.
We didn't have a kitchen. We had a small area within the big hall that we have. Now we will have a separate kitchen.
To have that, kitchen space and a place we can actually spread out, if you're feeding 500, 600 people, I think it makes a big difference.
A big office where you can deal with all of these problems that come up, with students, especially when you're in charge of a whole school. I mean, it's really nice to have a space where, the teachers, they can have some, break from the students.
First of all, you monitor the babysitting itself for having the windows there so you can see that they are properly being taken care of. And the other thing is they can watch what is happening.
One of the other beauties of this location is the land that's around it. When people come into the facility, you have this huge flowing landscape in the front.
And we can put some parks, we can put some tables and chairs out there and enjoy the picnic environment outside.
We had 17 parking spots only assigned. Now we have up to almost 100 parking spots assigned for the facility.
This should alleviate any of the problems that masajids and our community has seen within the past few years. One of the things we wanted to really look for is also a facility that can accommodate growth. We really need to cater for youth. They need space for their recreational activities.
Here at Civic, we have 4 different youth groups. We definitely need a big space.
I may actually move my robotics team center to be over here at the mosque, since it's such a big space and it's so welcoming for a number of projects that could be done here.
I want to be part of an environment that includes, not excludes anyone.
What I like about the Civic Youth and the youth group is that they're very inclusive of all the youth. I feel that they discuss issues that matter and issues that kids my age should be aware of and be able to talk about with their peers.
At the present, it's something that the community can really enjoy, but in the future, it's something that's available for us to expand onto if we need.
Coming here and seeing this place, it shows, especially how the board members, that they have a vision for this community for many, many years ahead. That's what makes Civic unique. And I believe that Civic will bring up Muslim youth that will be very active in this community and that will present a very good image of Islam outside. And with the new facility, I think there's a lot of potential for many more programs here. It's a perfect location for Civic.
Our youth are here. They're willing to give more to the community when they see us giving back to the community. So inshallah, they'll have good role models like you and me to follow.
By donating to Civic, you're donating to the expansion of a community that has helped so many youth and will continue to harbor a positive message for the youth and a positive impact on the youth. And I feel it's important to fund that expansion.
The Prophet ﷺ said very clearly, whomever built a house for the house of Allah, even as small as a bird nest, Allah will build the palace for them in Jannah. So we are putting our hands together to go on the next step and the next challenge, which is getting this place ready so we all can move in and enjoy our new home as soon as possible.
Thanks for everybody's support, Civic. Alhamdulillah, I love Civic a lot. I love everybody at Civic.